Hello everyone! So today's video is going to be pretty short because basically I'm just going to be talking about and showing you guys how I did the pink that is in my hair, which was a pretty straightforward process, so this shouldn't take too long. But basically the day before I did the pink, I actually bleached and toned my hair blonde, and if you'd like to see how I did that, you can watch my previous video. But the morning I did the pink, I did wash and shampoo my hair because when you use semi-permanent dyes, you want freshly washed hair. So I did do that, and then when my hair was completely dried, I began the dyeing process. I basically just got a bowl and a little brush, and I poured a bunch of Adore hair dye in the shade Pink Blush, and I just kind of went to town. I just plopped it on and tried to blend the best I could with my fingers. You'll see in the video because I did film the whole process. But yeah, there was no real method that I used. I just kind of wung it, just kind of plopped it on there, and I'm pretty happy with it. This is my first time doing anything like this. Usually I do one solid color, so it was a bit of a challenge for me, but overall I'm really happy with it. I'm really digging it, and I hope you guys like it too. But yeah, I will insert the clip of me doing it now.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you back. Ooh. Don't talk about, quiet with a big mouth, listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single need. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So that was how I did this dip dye look. Is that what it's called? I don't really know what to call it. I think it's called dip dye hair color. I don't know, but that's how I did it. This is how I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video or this helped someone, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.